Saturday, July 5th, 2008, 11:25. I love this little spot here actually on the Toronto Islands. This is basically one of the channels that connects the different part of the islands with one another. Very, very popular with kayakers, as you can see. There's one coming down there. Well, actually two of them coming in a kayak down there. Such a beautiful little peaceful spot here. Obviously a mooring area for all sorts of power boats, sailboats. Let me show you the other side. See, this is the bridge here. You come over from Ward's Island, and lots of the sailboats. The sailboats are parked right here. People getting ready to head out, I guess. Here are some people that just came off the ferry. Many of them coming with coolers on wheels to do a day of picnicking on the island. Just a perfect day to get away. If you continue straight here, actually on this little pathway, you'll get out to a nice little spot where you have a perfect view of the skyline of Toronto. I'll show you that view in just a minute.